Everyone, please put yourself on mute until I call your matter, okay?
Okay.
The 36th District Court, State of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no eating, no sleeping, no talking, no gum chewing, no drinking, no driving or riding in a vehicle, no laying down or lounging, no smoking. Please keep your devices on mute until you are addressed by one of the courthouse staff. Also, keep your devices on a level surface so that you may be seen on screen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right, I know this is a review, so I'll do this. Is this a review too? Yeah, I have a couple of reviews. Okay. Let me do the reviews first. Okay. Mr. Mohamed Wali, you can unmute yourself.
Good morning, Mr. Taylor.
Good morning. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Mohamed Wali. This is ticket number P1235224. One count of disorderly conduct. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett, P number 69160 on behalf of Mr. Wali.
And Mr. Wali, could you state your name for the record, please?
This is Mohamed Wali.
Okay. All right. Today is the date and time set for a review in this matter. Mr. Wali was to have made a payment in the amount of $300, and I just need to see the HIV/STI test. Do we have both of those things today?
Actually, I do the test already, but I was waiting for the clinic call me to get the results because it's still in the lab.
All right. Do you have the form that says that you took the test? I just need to see that you took the test.
Actually, I don't ask him about that because I just waiting for the result.
Yes, I need to see the actual form. I don't need to know the results. I just need to see the form that says that you took the test.
I can't
Okay.
bring from the clinic.
Okay. How long will that take you to do? You need another day?
Yes, please.
Okay. What day of the week works best for you?
I mean, any day I can approve, like today or tomorrow.
Okay. All right. You want to go pick it up today and then come back tomorrow morning?
I can do.
Okay. If that's going to be too much for you, I can set it out a week. Did you want more time, or you just want to come back this week sometime?
If you do other week, I'd be okay to make sure.
Okay. All right. Let's do another. So I'm going to set this matter for next Tuesday. Next Tuesday is the 15th. Okay. So come back on the 15th. I don't need to see the results, but just show me that you took the test, and then you'll be all set. Okay, sir?
Okay, that's fine.
All right. All right. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you, Mr. Wali.
Thank you very much, Mr. Tyler.
You're welcome. Have a good day. See you back next Tuesday.
Okay.
All right. My other review, Mr. Weiss.
Yes.
Okay. You're my other review. Let's do 3/15/22. Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Rondell Weiss. This is ticket number P1063676. One count driver's license expired, one count improper plates. I believe he only pled to the one count of, he pled as charged to count 2, which is improper plates, and count 1 was amended to improper plates. This is the date and time set for a review. He was to have done 24 hours of community service. Sir, how did you do with that?
I did the 24 hours the first time. I just did 48 hours for you. I did 50 out of 48. You told me today you will give me a clearance for it. I have that right here. I wasn't able to email it over. If you need me to email it over, I can. I kind of got in court kind of late.
Okay.
I did look at it, Judge.
Okay.
And it shows he had completed 50 hours.
And as an officer of the court, Attorney Triplett, I'm going to take your word for that. So I see it, sir. You flipped it around. I know that's right. So thank you for being in compliance with it, Mr. Wise. At this time, the court is going to close out these matters as successfully completed this particular term. You should be able to move forward now. Sir, if you have any additional fees like the SOS fees, those are the Secretary of State office clearance fees. You may have to pay those. I can't do anything about those, but you are all set with this matter, okay?
Okay, thank you. Appreciate you.
No, I appreciate you for doing it so much. Thank you, sir, okay?
Okay, yeah, no
All right,
problem.
have a good day.
You too.
All right. Okay. Mr. Robert Walker?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna call your matter. Now calling the matter of the people versus Robert Walker. This is case number SP 11625631. One count drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett, P number 69160, on behalf of Mr. Walker. I've spoken with Mr. Walker. There's an offer. He wishes to avail himself of it.
Is that right, Mr. Walker?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Walker, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney? That would have been Ms. Triplett in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yeah.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. I want to take you back to the date of February the 5th of 2021. Were you in the area of East Nevada and Finland Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were in that area, were you driving a vehicle, a Ford vehicle?
Yes.
And were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Triplett?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And the court is satisfied as well and will enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates, which is much better, Mr. Walker, okay?
Yes.
All right, are you currently employed?
Yes, I am.
All right, I'm gonna assess a fine in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay, 30 or 60 days?
I could pay that tomorrow.
Okay, all right, well, I'm gonna give you 30 days to pay it. You look very surprised, Mr. Walker. I'm gonna have it due no later than April the 8th of 2022, just in case anything happens, okay, Mr. Walker?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're welcome. And Officer Van Sickle, were you here on this matter today?
Yes, Judge.
All right, and Officer
I
Van
just got
Sickle.
one question. I just got one thing to say. He wasn't a cop on the scene.
That's not the cop. That's the cop that wrote this ticket for you, sir.
No, it should have been a woman that wrote that ticket. She the one that cuffed me. She the one that got me out the vehicle. It should have been a woman, not a male.
They may have had two people at the scene, so one may have been working with them, okay?
Well, okay.
Was it two people at the scene or no? It was just one
I
person? 'Cause
only
you-
saw her. I never saw him. I never saw him on scene.
All right, were you driving without your license that day, sir? While your license?
Yes, I
suspended?
was.
Okay.
Yes, I
All right.
was.
Thank you for bringing that to my attention. But we have him on here.
Okay.
He's who's on my ticket right now. So sometimes they have people who assist them. I know that usually women police officers, they ride at least two to a car. DPD officers in general ride two to a car. So even though
Yeah.
you may not have seen someone else, there probably was definitely somebody else at the scene. Okay, Mr. Walker.
Okay.
All right. So I'm gonna have that fine due no later than April the 8th of 2022. Okay.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
You're very welcome. You have a good day, Mr. Walker, okay?
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. All right. Thank you, officer. Stay safe out there, okay?
Thank you, Judge, you as well.
All right. Thank you. Lavelle Woods.
How you doing?
I'm finding yourself. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Lavelle Woods. This is case number SP 124122271. One count supply false information and or ID to police officers. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
You said the.
Ms. Triplet, hold on. She's on mute.
Okay. Sorry about that.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Regina Triplet, P number 69160 on behalf of Mr. Woods. Mr. Woods, please state your name for the record.
Lavelle Woods.
Your Honor, Mr. Woods wishes to have this matter scheduled for a jury trial.
Okay. All right. Mr. Woods, if you could raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right. You can put your hand down. Mr. Woods, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
All right. And it's my understanding that you want to have a jury trial for this matter. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So we're not currently having jury trials in the building, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it for a pre-trial on the date of June the 17th of 2022. I'm going to set that for 8:30 a.m. Hopefully at that time, I'll have a lot more direction on when we can set this for a jury trial inside the building for traffic matters. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal for right now. And then as we get to that date, hopefully I have a lot more information as we're starting to really open up, and I should be able to hopefully schedule this for a jury trial on that date. Okay, sir?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. His bond is set at $0 personal, if I didn't already say. We'll see you June 17th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
Okay.
All right, via Zoom, okay? All right. Thank you. All right, Mr. Watson.
You said June 17th, right? Okay.
June 17th, yes.
Okay. Thank you. All right.
You're welcome. All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Joseph Watson. This is U ticket 231453515. One count violation of the controlled substance. Ticket number 522916. One count, no license in possession. Ticket number P1055085. One count, failed to display a valid operator's license. I think it's part of it. Let me see. Oh, yep. Ticket number SP1055535. Count 1, stop street or intersection, failed to stop. Count 2, no proof of insurance. And also calling Z ticket 80H356. One count of operating with a high BAC. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplet on behalf of Mr. Joseph Watson, my P number 69160. Mr. Watson, state your name for the record.
Joseph Watson.
Your Honor, there's been an offer. Mr. Watson wishes to avail himself of it.
Is that right, Mr. Watson?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Watson, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney? That would have been Ms. Triplet in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, Mr. Watson, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yeah.
Understanding all of that, sir, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Mr. Watson, I want to take your attention back to the date of July the 9th of 2021. Were you in the area of Grand River and West McNichols in the city of Detroit driving a vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, were you under the influence of alcohol?
Yes, ma'am.
And counsel, will you stipulate that his blood alcohol level was above the legal limit at that time of 0.08?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Thank you. And so at this time, the court is going to accept the plea to the offer of, satisfied, I should say, Attorney Triplett first.
Yes, satisfied.
And the court is satisfied as well and is going to accept the offer to the amended charge of operating while intoxicated. Mr. Watson, thank you for taking ownership of this today. We're going to set this matter for what's called a sentencing day. You're going to have to call the probation office though in the interim and set up a time for them to talk to you about this matter. Sentencing day is going to be on April the 29th at 8:30 a.m. Do you have a sheet of paper to be able to take down a phone number, sir?
Yes.
Okay. You just let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
Okay. 313
13
965
965
3414. This is probation services. They're going to set up a time for you to talk to them about your pre-sentence report. You need to call them and let them know that your sentencing date is April the 29th of 2022 at 8:30. So they know what day to schedule your hearing for, okay? I mean, to schedule your appointment with them. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. However, a part of the conditions of bond is that I need you to attend one AA, Alcoholic Anonymous meeting per week. That can either be in person or it can be online, okay? I just need you to attend once a week. And there are usually a ton of them. They're all over in the area. So just attend one a week for me until you come back, okay, sir?
Okay.
All right, and I don't think I said on the record, as a part of the plea, the court is going to dismiss the remaining counts called on the record. So that's case number SP 1055535, counts 1 and 2. Ticket number P1055085, ticket number 522916, and ticket 23143. I apologize, 15. All of those tickets are going to be dismissed as a part of the plea today, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If there's nothing further, that does conclude this hearing. All right, Mr. Watson, we'll see you back on April the 29th for your sentencing, okay?
I should call probation when today?
Oh, yep. Call them today and let them know the date so that they can give you some time. Sometimes they won't pick up, so just leave a message and let them know. And then if they don't call you back, call them back again tomorrow. But call after we get off this meeting and let them know that date so that they can set it up, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, you're very welcome. Have a good day, Mr. Watson. Thank you.
Well.
All right, thank you.